your comprehensive guide to visa and immigration procedures within migracionevisas.com. If you are interested in traveling, studying, working, or living in another country, you may need to apply for a visa or an immigration permit. However, the process of obtaining these documents can be confusing, time-consuming, and costly. That's why you should visit inmigracionevisas.com, a great resource of free information in English and Spanish languages about visa and immigration procedures for the United States, Canada, Europe, Australia, and other countries. Inmigracionevisas.com is a website that provides clear and updated information about different types of visas and immigration programs. Whether you want to visit as a tourist, study as a student, work as a skilled worker, invest as an entrepreneur, or settle as a permanent resident, you will find useful tips and guidance on how to apply, what are the requirements, how long it takes, how much it costs, and what are the benefits of each option. Some of the visa types covered by inmigracionevisas.com are tourist visas. These are short-term visas that allow you to visit a country for leisure, sightseeing, family visits, or medical treatment. They usually have a duration of 3 to 6 months and do not allow you to work or study in the country. Some examples are the B1/B2 visa for the USA, the ETA for Canada, the Schengen visa for Europe, and the e-visitor for Australia. Student visas. These are visas that allow you to study in a foreign country for a specific period of time. They usually require you to have an acceptance letter from an educational institution, proof of financial means, and health insurance. They may also allow you to work part-time or full-time depending on the country and the program. Some examples are the F1 visa for the USA, the study permit for Canada, the student visa for Europe, and the student visa for Australia. Work visas. These are visas that allow you to work in a foreign country for a specific employer or occupation. They usually require you to have a job offer from an employer who is willing to sponsor you, proof of qualifications and experience, and sometimes a labor market test. They may also allow you to bring your spouse and dependents depending on the country and the program. Some examples are the H-1B visa for the USA, the work permit for Canada, the blue card for Europe, and the skilled visa for Australia. Investment visas. These are visas that allow you to invest in a foreign country in exchange for residency or citizenship. They usually require you to have a minimum amount of capital to invest in a business, real estate, or government bonds. They may also require you to create jobs, maintain your investment, and meet other criteria depending on the country and the program. Some examples are the EB-5 visa for the USA, the startup visa for Canada, the golden visa for Europe, and the business innovation and investment visa for Australia. Immigration visas. These are visas that allow you to live permanently in a foreign country as a resident or citizen. They usually require you to meet certain criteria such as age, education, language skills, work experience, and adaptability. They may also require you to pass a medical exam, a background check, and an interview depending on the country and the program. Some examples are the Green Card for the USA, the Express Entry for Canada, the EU Settlement Scheme for Europe, and the Permanent Residence Visa for Australia. As you can see, inmigracionevisas.com is a great resource of free information about visa and immigration procedures for different countries. By visiting this website, you will be able to learn more about your options, compare them, and choose the best one for your needs and goals. You will also be able to access links to official websites where you can apply online or find more details about each program. So don't wait any longer and visit inmigracionevisas.com today. You will be one step closer to your dream destination.